This mind map has all the information you need for the alcohol part of IAL Unit 2 Chemistry. We will start with the identification of alcohols. You can identify alcohols by means of sodium, and when you drop sodium into an alcohol, you'll be producing hydrogen gas, which you can always test for by using a lighter splint producing a squeaky. The second way to identify alcohols is by using PCl5. When you add PCl5 to alcohols, they'll be producing misty fumes of hydrogen chloride. You can test the hydrogen chloride by using ammonia, producing white smoke of ammonium chloride. Elimination of alcohols is when you react alcohols with concentrated sulfuric acid, and in this case, you'll be producing alkenes. The oxidation of alcohols is done by using acidified potassium dichromate, which changes its color from orange to green. The oxidation of alcohol depends on the type of alcohols you're dealing with. So if it was a tertiary alcohol, then it would not get oxidized in the first place. Secondary alcohols can be oxidized into ketones, which are prepared by heating in a reflux condenser. You can oxidize primary alcohols into aldehydes using fractional distillation. You can also oxidize primary alcohols into carboxylic acid if you heat in a reflux condenser.